Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Here it is, the FIMI X8 2020 giveaway. It's been a long time coming, but I have been mentioning in my videos for the kind of the combo edition I got that I would be giving away the standard edition. And just to make it kind of a bonus for you guys, I got this extra carrying bag for the X8SE 2020. And I'm going to throw this in. I'm going to actually just, this is a never flown before brand new one. I'm going to put this in the bag for you. Go ahead and write a personal note to you guys and put it in the bag and send it directly to you from me. Just thank you kind of giveaway for you guys, and hopefully you're going to be getting this by Thanksgiving to Christmas time. Also going to be doing some more giveaways, so stay tuned and subscribe to the channel for that. In order to be entered into this giveaway, just go ahead and leave one comment and let me know what you like about the channel, my channel, and what you'd like to see in the future. That'll be a great way to kind of get to you guys more of what you want in my videos. Just a little bit over $400 item here I'm giving away, again brand new. And I'm also going to have down in the description a couple of links to the company that did provide this to me to give away. So really would help me, help them if you just kind of check out what they have. And if you wanted to see more on the FIMI X8SE 2020 edition and also the original edition that I did extensive reviews on, go ahead and check the link. It should be up here, popping up. And so you can check the whole playlist and see all those videos as well. Just to reiterate, the way to win is to, first of all, you have to be a subscriber. Secondly, you have to leave a comment on what you like about my channel and what you'd like to see in the future. And thirdly, it would be awesome if you could just like the video. If you do like it, if you don't, that's okay too. But it's also nice if you show your support for these kinds of things. And also, if you've got the time and you'd like to contribute to the channel and you're thinking about buying some RC stuff, go ahead and check out the link down in the description as well. That'll really help out the channel. I am going to be giving away more stuff in the future before Christmas, so make sure you are subscribed, you're staying tuned to the reviews and the giveaways like this one, because there's going to be a few more items before Christmas and I think you're going to like them. Anyway, from my family to yours, happy holidays. I hope you guys are staying safe, had a great Halloween, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.